This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the facts that make a citation reliable. Find the author and page title, then check for publication date. If none, mark it as undated. Next, locate a stable URL, DOI, or permalink and note your access date for dynamic pages. Decide which citation style you must use, APA, MLA, Chicago, or follow instructor rules. Knowing the required style early saves time later, because each demands different element order and punctuation. Once you have raw details, format them according to your chosen style. For example, in APA you put the author, year in parentheses, the title sentence case, and the source URL or DOI. In MLA, you use title case and place the site name after the title. Make sure to italicize website or journal names and use quotation marks for article titles when the style requires them. Keep consistent punctuation and order so the citation will pass review without edits. To finish, proofread every element for spelling, punctuation, and order, then compare your result to an official style example. If key details are missing, use the style's convention, such as ND for no date or follow author substitution rules. Once done, save a screenshot or PDF of the page and record the access date so you can verify future disputes. If a citation still fails, revise the element order and punctuation. Often a misplaced comma or italics fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.